Hello friends, how are you? I hope all are doing good and you and your family are in a good health. Uh, this is basically I'm recording a video first time for YouTube. This actually I wanted to do it since long time, but somehow due to time crunch I was not able to do. But I was getting lot of direct messages from the group members to help them in understanding the price action, understanding the trading concept. So basically, to start with that, this is the first video I am making to show how to set up a technical indicators for the junior KG strategy. I hope some of you are already using junior KG strategy and it is helping you in your day-to-day trading journey, and it is giving you profits, and if it is in case any loss, so you are able to get out with a minimum drawdown. So let's begin. So in this I will explain you in detail how to set up indicators on a chart, trading view chart, and what are the settings to be used, and how those indications can be used for buy and sell signal. So let's begin friends. So for the junior KG strategy, you all know the hero of this strategy is the parabolic SAR. So the first indicator which we will be putting on the chart is parabolic SAR, and I'll let you know the settings of that. So the whole game of this strategy is the settings of parabolic SAR. As I explained in my previous videos as well, this multiple settings I have tried and back tested, and I found the setting which we are going to use now, that is the best setting which given me the results by using a parabolic SAR. So in this, the default setting will be 0.02, 0.02 and 0.2. So only this incremental setting, instead of 0.02 we will change it to 0.03, and in style we will just make this one little bit visible. So that's it. So this is your parabolic SAR indicator has been set. There is no second indicator which we will be putting is multi EMA. So we will be using a multiple EMAs like 9, 18, 50 and 200. So what usually you have to do, then you have to draw 4 indicators. So as like many of us will be using a free version or a pro version, so in that you have a limited access to put limited indicators on the chart. So that's the reason, to club all those EMAs in one indicator, there is a indicator called as multi EMA. So this is that multi EMA indicator. The author is Audori. So you can click on this, and once you plot, then you can see these multiple EMA lines plotted on the chart. So we will just go and change the settings. So the first one we want is 9, second we want 18, third we want 50, fourth we want 200, fifth we don't want, so we will just disable this fifth one, and we will change these colors to make it more visible. Okay, and last one is the black. So purposely I am putting 200 EMA as black, because for me that black line is basically a Lakshman Rekha. So if any stock trading below this 200 EMA, and even though if we are getting a sell signal on Parabolic SAR, so I will avoid that trade. I will not take a trade if it is below 200. So any stock which is trading above 200 with the buy signal, maybe I can consider for buying. So this is the second indicator which is plotted now. The third one is again very important indicator, is TSI. So basically it is called as true strength indicator. So true strength, yes, this is one. So this indicator, we will change the settings. We will use it 9/13. Okay. So basically this indicator will give you the strength of the trend. What is the strength in that trend? So basically if you see here, if you have a parabolic SAR buy signal and true strength is also giving you a buy signal, this crossover, blue line crossing over the red line, and then boom. Okay. So next signal, next indicator which we will be using is basically ADX. So I use this one, ADX and DI. Here is this author name, and almost like 36,071 people using this one. So in this we will use it 14. We will use this line, make it visible, and we don't need ADX. I don't use ADX, so we will take it out. Okay. So and the last one indicator that usually I use as an optional, I keep that one changing time to time. Sometimes I might use RSI on EMA, sometimes I might use just a plain RSI indicator, or sometimes I use a relative strength indicator, or sometimes I might use a MACD also. So there is one MACD indicator. It's not a normal MACD indicator, it's bit different, made by some user of TradingView. I use that one actually, that's really nice. Let's see, MACD, yeah, this one, Chris Moody. So this is that indicator. In this we will not make any change, but it's a very clear visibility it gives when the sell signal triggers or when the buy signal triggers. When this green line dot comes, so that means there is a sell signal, and when there is a red dot, that means it's an exit signal. So in coming videos I will make some more videos and explain you the strategy of when to buy and when to sell. In this video we will not discuss about those, or else this video will become very long. So just to make it short, this is how the indicators you need to plot on a TradingView. So if you can see here, this is the chart of Tirumalai, and this is how you need to plot the indicators. So this is how you will be setting up your chart, And then just to give a small idea is, here if you can see, here we got a buy signal on 27th of August. If you want, you can take a buy signal here as well, because anyways the stock 9 EMA is above 18, above 50, above 200. So you would have taken the position here. So at 200, 201. So here you can say that okay, TSI is not yet given the buy signal. I agree with that. So that's the reason it's only, you can say, the probability of this trade is not 100%. As it is, there is no 100% I can say any strategy will work, but still the conviction on this trade will be not strong until unless TSI will also come into buy signal. So if somebody want to avoid and then keep it in a watch list, so that can be done. So this stock can go in a watch list. Then you wait for the TSI to give a buy signal. So on 15th of September it given a decisively buy signal. Second, if you see here, it gave a breakout, and then from here 215 to till here 312. So the first sell signal generated on 8th of October. So here you can think of exiting your position, and you can see that TSI also going into sell signal, MACD is also going into a sell signal. So this is how you can use it. Anyways, we will discuss in detail when I will make a next video. I will explain you what are the other things which you need to look at from a technical perspective to make it your trade more successful. Thank you very much guys, and please do let me know how you like this video. This is my first video. You might have seen few times on the video I was fumbling, so excuse me for that one. And second, going forward, whatever the stocks we will be discussing, or whatever strategy we will be discussing, this is all basically just for an educational purpose. I will be not recommending anyone to buy or sell any stock. It's all based on your conviction and based on your study. You need to decide what you want to do, but as an education, as an knowledge what I have, I would like to share with the group members to help them. That's it for this video guys. Thank you very much, and let's meet in next video soon.